Lately, I've been asked if there are any benefits of using rice water for hair, any sort of hair. But I've seen several photos before and after, pictures and videos. But those pictures and videos are often misleading. Questions that I get a lot about rice water is one, can rice water rinses prevent hair breakage? Does rice water help hair grow? What are the benefits of using rice water for natural hair? Okay, so let's start by asking, what is rice water? What is rice water? Okay, let me try to break it down. In short, rice water, it's the starchy substance or water that you obtain from draining boiled rice. It's the starchy water you obtain when you drain boiled rice. And if you don't know, there are over 4 grams of protein in 1 cup of serving size of white rice, and about 5 grams of the same size serving in a brown rice. So 4 grams of protein is found in 1 cup, 1 serving size cup, and there are about 5 grams of protein found in the same as for brown rice. Using protein can actually have adverse effect on the hair, especially low porosity hair like myself. So low porosity hair may want to use it once a month or once every 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so when it comes to protein, don't overdo it. Do not go overboard, as your hair doesn't require much protein. My porosity ladies, please take it easy on that protein for your hair, okay? Because as you know, or you should always remember that low porosity hair, it's protein sensitive, okay? And again, if you decided to use protein, please look for hydrolyzed rice or silk or wheat protein. Always remember, hydrolyzed rice, silk, or wheat protein, as they tend to be really good in penetrating and coating low porosity hair. Always remember, please take note. Low porosity hair is it's resistant to moisture and protein sensitive. So by adding unwanted protein to the hair strands, becomes stiff, brittle, causing it to break. Remember, excess protein and low porosity hair. Adding too much protein, it can cause adverse effect to your low porosity hair. Okay, so do not add unwanted protein to your hair strands, because they can become stiff, brittle, and causing it to break. Okay, so right. So products applied to low po hair or low porosity hair tends to sit on top of the hair instead of being observed. Okay, so for example, my water, I'm gonna spray a little on my hair. I'm gonna spray some water on my hair, and as you can see, it's not absorbing, it's just sitting there. You seen those beads, water beads? That's a sign of low porosity hair. Okay, it's just sitting there. It's not absorbing quickly. It will take a longer time for the water to absorb in my hair. So look at this. So yes, and that is another way of testing your porosity level. Okay, so the water, high porosity hair, the water will absorb faster, more quickly than low porosity hair. So I have low porosity hair, and this is a sign of low porosity hair. So when you apply products to your low porosity hair, it tends to sit on top of your hair instead of being observed. Plus it takes a longer time to become saturated. Okay, so I've seen before and after pictures and videos of people using rice water, and how it's working for them, and the hair growth is crazy, and they growing their hair, it's growing the hair rapidly, etc, etc, etc. But rice water is not for everyone. It's not for, not all hair porosity. See, for high porosity, whose hair loves protein, it wouldn't cause an adverse effect on high porosity hair, because high porosity hair loves protein, versus low porosity hair is protein sensitive. So we cannot afford to be overusing or going overboard with the protein. So use the hydrolyzed silk or wheat protein, and you can find that in any grocery store. Just look for hydrolyzed protein. Well, I cannot prove that using wet rice water actually grows your hair, because me, would I use it in my hair? I want to use it in my hair. The main reason why I want to use rice water in my hair, it's because of my protein sensitive hair. I have low porosity hair, and there are lots of pros and cons about using rice water, and I just want to use it in my hair. Okay, so doing research and seeing before and after videos, I just refuse to use rice water for my hair. I love rice. I eat rice. I love to eat rice. So I don't know if that would be the same thing, but if eating rice and just spraying the liquid onto your hair, it would cause make any sort of big difference to my hair growth. Okay, so let's get back into the video. The practice of using rice water for hair growth and other beauty practices is only supported by anecdotal evidence. Said simply, it's a cultural practice supported by word of mouth. Okay, so for example, you will find several women claim that castor oil encourages hair growth or regrowth of thinning hair edges. The problem is there is no scientific evidence supporting this castor oil claims, so we only use anecdotal evidence. But I use castor oil, okay? So it works for me, and I use the pure castor oil, okay? So I don't use scented castor oil. I don't use castor oil mixed with anything else. Just the castor oil in its pure form, 100% pure. Yes, there is a big difference. Finally, is rice water good for your hair? You know what? I think so, but I don't really know honestly. I don't know. I've never tried it, and I wouldn't, because my hair is low porosity once again, and the rice water contains protein. Just 1 cup of rice contains approximately 4 grams of protein, and that is a lot of protein. So, and my low porosity hair hates protein. It hates protein. Some low porosity hair loves protein, and I don't know why, but my low porosity hair hates protein. Okay, so please don't come for me. It's my hair, and one wouldn't know unless they try, right? But I won't be using rice water in my hair anytime soon, or no time at all. So rice water, on my opinion, it's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. I've a lot of people complain to me about rice water damages the hair. Rice water make the hair literally fall out of the head by combing. Okay, so please be mindful, be careful. Do more researches on the rice water. Know when to use it, how often, how much to use. What can you pair rice water with? Some people pair it with lemon, oranges, oils, coconut milk, all sorts. So and I recommend giving it a try. Give it a try, okay? So if you like the way it makes your hair feels, or it makes your hair look, keep using it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you try rice water. Is it working for your hair? What you use in your rice water? How many inches have grown? How many inches you have lost? Let me know. Please leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for subscribing. So bye, 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 bye. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.